One-year-old mother of four, Marina Davis.
My name is Marina Davis. I'm 31 years old. I live in Marsden, Brisbane. I am a full-time mum, but I was raised in New Zealand, and while I was there, I joined a band, and then just before I became a soloist, I found out that I was pregnant. I chose to lay down my talent to raise my daughter. Then I just kept having children. In the process, you forget your dreams, but I feel like it's time to resurrect those dreams. And I believe I have a second chance to use my talent to provide for my family.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you doing today?
I'm great, thank you. I'm a bit nervous and shaky, but I'll be fine.
OK, you're allowed to be nervous. What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Marina Davis. I'm 31 years old. I have 4 children, 1 husband, and
Now, you know you've got 2 minutes to fully impress not just the judges, but the audience too. Are you feeling pretty confident?
Yeah, okay.
You feeling okay? Have you rehearsed enough? Do you feel ready?
I think I have rehearsed quite a bit. My husband and my children are very good coaches, so...
Nice. Well, I can't wait to hear you sing, so go for it and good luck.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start and can't complete. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. All 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, and I'm trying to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. Got to
How good was Mom?
You have... I think your family are going to be incredibly proud of you because you definitely have the X Factor, without a doubt.
I'm so glad that you've come to this competition because you are great. You're amazing. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Yay!
That was an impressive performance, Marina. Really fantastic. You have probably one of the best voices in this contest so far.
It's an obvious, hands down, slam dunk, definite yes from me.
100% yes from me. Absolutely.
It's a yes.
When there's a
Well done, Marina. See a boot camp. Well done.
Holy smoking. Great.
Beautiful voice.
Yeah.
When it happened, it was ridiculous. My God.
Last year,